Today we're going to be drawing the character from Among Us. I'm using an iPad Pro with the app called Procreate and an Apple Pencil. Now you don't need these to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outlines, and some markers and crayons for coloring in. And I'm going to do this one a little different. I have 3 layers: color, sketch, and outline. And the reason we're going to sketch it out first is because the character is really curvy and there is no straight lines. So it's much easier for us to sketch it out first and then go on top of that with a black marker. Because if you start off with the black marker and you make a mistake, then you can't erase it. So I'm on the sketch layer. I've got my HP pencil and I'm going to start off with the visor. And then there's also a shadow here, so I'm just going to outline the shadow so I know where to color. And there's also a reflection at the top here. And now we could start with the body. And I'm gonna have to fix this part. I think the legs are closer together. I'm gonna start off on this side first. I guess something like that, right? So you can fiddle around and play with your sketch to make it accurate. Okay, so now I think the body is too long. And I'm just gonna erase the middle. I mean, this is why the iPad Pro is so great, because I can just take this selection and just move it up a little bit like that. Okay, and now we're going to finish it off on this side. So there is your basic sketch. Now I'm going to switch my brush to a marker brush, and I'm going to go onto the outline layer. I'm going to try to do this in one stroke. fix that line. Let me do this again. Okay, and then I'm going to do the visor. And I'm not going to outline in here because that's going to be color. Let me just fix this in here. And I'm also going to fix this. You just get rid of that sketch layer. I'm just gonna uncheck it so we don't see it. And I'm gonna fix this line. Can really still clean up these lines, but just for the sake of this video, I'm doing it really simple. Okay, so there is your basic shape. Okay, so now we're ready to color it, and I have the red picked, and I'm gonna go to the color layer. And I'm just gonna make my brush size a little bigger. And then next we're gonna do the shadows. We're gonna pick a darker shade. And the shadow kind of wraps around, I guess starting from here. And then it goes down like this. Just gonna straighten this out a bit. So now on the visor, we can select a blue. And then we're going to leave a little reflection that's white. And then again, select a darker shade for the shadow. So there is your basic character from Among Us. If you want to change the color, it's pretty simple. If you're on an iPad, you can just select a different color. Let's try a purple. Then I'm just going to drag this to cover the red. Then select a darker shade. Then obviously we gotta just clean up these lines a little bit. And if you want to change it to an orange, and then select a darker shade. There you go.